Easter Craft Stenciled Burlap Bunny Plaques. I love creating holiday-themed items like this fun Easter craft. It's so much fun to bring special little touches to your home around all of the holidays, and a craft like this one is a great choice. It's Katie again from View from the Fridge. I'm so glad to be back here at Oh My Creative this month. Today, I thought I'd share an easy Easter craft project. Stenciled Burlap Bunny Plaques. Easter Craft Stenciled Burlap Bunny Plaques. This whole idea started when I found these wood plaques on clearance at Michael's. If you've seen my project, then you may notice a couple things I love and seem to gravitate towards. 1. Burlap anything. 2. Stenciling, probably because my freehanding skills are lacking at best. 3. Shabby chic decor. With these things in mind for this project, my idea for a great Easter craft was born. Stenciled burlap plaques. Now, I needed a stencil, and, as of now, I still don't own a silhouette or crooked. I did, however, find this fun bunny silhouette shape online that is cute and simple enough to create a handmade stencil out of. Supplies. 1. The bunny shape above printed and cut out. 2. 8x10 piece of wood. 3. Adhesive vinyl sheet. 4. 7?x9 piece of burlap lens frayed. To easily fray your burlap, after cutting simply start pulling. 5. Out individual threads from each side. 6. Craft paint. Plaque colors. I used yellow and light turquoise, and bunny color, white, in my case. 7. Pouncer. Sponge brush for stenciling. 8. Rope or ribbon for hanging plaque. 9. Yarn. 10. Spray adhesive. 11. Sandpaper. 12. Staple gun. Step by step. 1. Make plaque. Paint your plaques with craft paint. Let dry, then sand edges and corners for a distressed look. 2. Make stencil. Trace bunny shape onto the back of adhesive vinyl, then carefully cut out using a craft knife. 3. Stencil. Stick vinyl onto the center of burlap piece. 4. Using a pouncer and white craft paint. 5. Apply paint to inside of bunny, using a pounding motion to apply paint rather than brushing motion. 6. Allow paint to dry for 10-15 minutes, then remove stencil. 7. Once the paint is fully dry, at least another hour or so, spray back of stenciled burlap with a generous coat of adhesive and place burlap in the center of plaque. Adhesive sticks quickly, so make sure burlap is centered from the beginning. 8. I used a piece of rope to hang plaque. You could also use ribbon, twine, yarn, etc. 9. Using staple gun, staple the piece of rope to the top of plaque, 1 staple on each side. 10. Make yarn pom tail. Detailed instructions for making pom-poms can be found in this post, and glue in place on the plaque. 11. Finished. You can hang these plaques together for a fun Easter craft on the hallway, front door, kitchen wall, or even living area. Hang them separately, or simply set on your mantle. One of the best parts about this Easter craft, you probably have most of these supplies laying around already. You can definitely use a scrap piece of wood for the plaque, instead of buying them from Michael's as I did. Don't have any adhesive vinyl laying around? You could also make a stencil out of cardstock. Just make sure to secure it to your burlap with some tape, and focus on pounding on the paint, up and down motion, to achieve nice crisp lines. Thanks so much for having me here today. I hope all of you are enjoying your spring so far.